Welcome students to Adsul Polytechnic YouTube channel. Today we are going to know about the speech writing. There are 4 types of speeches in English language. Number first, welcome speech. Second, farewell speech. Third, vote of thanks. And fourth, introducing a chief of guest. So students, we will see one example of each. Number first, we will see the example of vote of thanks. There is contrast between welcome speech and vote of thanks. Let's see draft vote of thanks for the seminar organized on e-learning resources for the first year students. Its answer would be, good evening all. As all good things come to an end in life, so is the seminar on behalf of Global Institute of Technology. I take this opportunity to propose vote of thanks to those who have directly and indirectly contributed to this seminar on e-learning resources conducted for first year students. At the outset, I thank our chief guest Mr. Sudeep Khanna. We are really enlightened with your knowledge and presence. We are thankful to our Honorable Founder President and Founder Secretary for their motivation. I would like to thank our Principal for his enthusiastic support. A special thanks to the organizing committee, teaching and non-teaching staff for their unflinching support and coordination. Our heartfelt thanks to great audience for active participation. With these warm words and a kind message, we move to the end of today's seminar. Thank you. This was an example of vote of thanks. Let's see the example of introducing a chief of guest. A very good evening to one and all present here. It is my honor to introduce today's chief guest, Mr. Sunil Kadam, for the annual social gathering organized by Adsul Polytechnic. He has completed BA from FIPT Pune. He has been working in many regional and Hindi serials, daily soaps as a main character. His role of father in the serial Bahu got Lux Award in 2016. He has also worked in 3 Hindi movies. He has been awarded Star Dust Award for his role in the movie Maya. Put your hands together to welcome today's chief guest for the annual social gathering, Mr. Sunil Kadam. Sir, I request you to address the audience. Let's see last example of farewell speech. A very good afternoon to all present here. Today we have gathered here for bidding farewell to Professor L.S. Kamte and Professor S.P. Kumawat of our department. Professor L.S. Kamte has put in total 20 years of service in our institute as a lecturer, and now he is retiring after completing 5 years service as an HOD of computer department. And Professor S.P. Kumawat has served in our institute for 20 years as a lecturer in computer. Both of them have worked with enthusiasm and devotion and contributed positively for the development of the department. They shared a good rapport with faculties as well as students. I wish them good health, peace of mind and lot of happiness in the years to come. Once again, I take this opportunity to wish both of them to happy retired life. May God bless you with good health and a long life. Thank you. Those were the examples of speech writing. We see the example of vote of thanks, we see the example of farewell speech, we see the example of introducing a chief guest. So students, today we will stop here. Thank you very much.